In this video, I'll show you how to exchange USDT to TRX in Binance. It is a straightforward and clearly described in the video, so follow all the steps. But before we dive into all of it, make sure you hit the subscribe button below and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest content. So let's begin. Before we can proceed on exchanging USDT to TRX, make sure that your account is verified. Right, because you won't be able to proceed if your account is not verified here in Binance. And the next thing we need to do is simply go to the trade or exchange section in Binance and simply look for the USDT or TRX trading pair. And of course, you have to specify the amount of USDT you want to exchange for TRX, right? And after doing so, review the details of your order, right? Including the amount. And the exchange rate. And once you're certain, confirm the trade. After the trade is executed successfully, check your TRX wallet on Binance to ensure that the TRX has been deposited, alright? Additionally, be mindful of trading fees and the current market conditions before executing any trades. And that's it for today's video, guys. I thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video. And if you have further comments or topics you would like us to cover in the future, let us know in the comment section, and I'll be more than glad to check them. And thank you for your continued support. See y'all in the next video.